I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we're going to be unboxing a Loungefly mystery pin series. This is part of their princesses line of mystery pins that they do. And this is the Beauty and the Beast set. So we've got Chip here, Cogsworth, Mrs. Potts. Oh, sorry, Chip's down here. This is Lumiere, Beast, and then Belle. So we have got 6 of these boxes to open today. So let's get into our first one. Oh my goodness, that, guys, is just stunning. I may have to keep these pins actually. Look how gorgeous that is. The pastel colours and the roses, and look, in the middle here is gorgeous. Now I will just show you one of the backs of these pins because they'll all be the same. But this is what the back looks like, and it's got the crown waffling at the top. Oh my goodness. He is incredible. So on to our next box. Oh yay, this is the perfect pairing. Mrs. Potts to go with her little boy Chip. Isn't that just stunning, guys? Now it's got the same colours and same similar outer design as the Chip pin I just showed you earlier. And it's got the stunning Mrs. Potts in the middle with a big smile on her face. Wow, she looks so happy and so content with herself, doesn't she? On to box number 3. Who have we got? Oh yes, we have got Cogsworth. Do love me some Cogsworth. He is very grumpy half the time, and I just love him for that. Oh, his face. He looks so content there and actually happy for a change. That's really weird. Box number 4. Who have we gotten? Oh, our first duplicate. We have got Chip. So unfortunately we won't be completing this set today. So we've just got into bag number 5. Oh no. We want another duplicate. Oh, the back of her does need a clean. Like we have got Mrs. Potts. And if you look at the back of this pin, there is loads of dirt. I'm guessing that's come from it being stuck to the bag. So I have to see if I can get that off. Our last box, guys. So left we need Lumiere, Beast or Belle. Yay! Someone new. We have got the lovely Lumiere. Oh, I love Lumiere. He is probably, him and Chip are my favourite characters from Beauty and the Beast. He is stunning. So we did quite well. We got just over 50%, I think. So these are what we collected today, and then here are the 2 duplicates. So this isn't too bad, actually, guys. I am very, very happy with this pull. Please let me know in the comments down below which pin was your favourite. I would love, love, love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps the channel so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I hope to get more mystery pins, to do more mystery pin unboxings for you in the future, because this is one of my favourite things to film for you guys. I love opening stunning pins like this that I can add to my collection and add to my traders. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye!